Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Today we're unboxing the latest addition to my shoe collection, and if you watched my mini haul video from a couple weeks back, you already know what they are. But basically, I'd been shopping for a pair of flats that I could wear with the bag I'd been planning to buy, and also that would be a nice light summer color, and eventually I settled on this pair from Stuart Weitzman. This is my first purchase from the brand, and they were actually on sale, which was great. The shipping was also really fast, which was fantastic for my impatience, and the shoes also came packaged really nicely with this really pretty pink dust bag. You know what? I should also mention that I'm pretty sure they're still on sale now, along with a number of other styles for up to 40% off. So if you're in the market for a new pair of shoes and are looking at the designer level, definitely check out the Stuart Weitzman website, but just be aware that depending on the style that you buy, they may be final sale because these were. Anyway, you just saw my invoice a couple seconds ago, and let's just open this up. And here is the shoe itself. This is called the Emilia flat, and it's an all-leather shoe in the color cream. It's a very simple classic style flat with a pointed toe and a very slight block heel. It's also in this really soft Napa leather. It's so soft actually that one of the sides came with a couple wrinkles already in the leather, but nothing that I couldn't live with. Like I mentioned in my last video, this was the second last pair in the color available online. The store close to me never got this color in stock, and I couldn't really be bothered to go to the other store in my city to exchange them, or really even to try to request a mail-in exchange of that one side of the shoe, especially given that it was final sale and I really wasn't in the mood to push it. I just figured I would just live with it because it's really not that bad, and to be honest, the leather is so soft that it would happen anyway. Like, I barely tried them on, and there's a little bit of wrinkling there in the front already, so I mean, it happens. What I'll just make sure to do is to keep them stuffed when I'm not wearing them, and hopefully that will help maintain the shape and the leather structure. Worst case scenario though, I'll watch a tutorial and see if I can iron out the wrinkles or something, because apparently that's a thing. But yeah, I really like this pair of flats. The color is exactly what I was looking for. It's not your typical bright white, but more of a creamy off-white shade. The Emilia flat does come in a number of other colors, styles, and materials. So not only is it available in this very standard style, but there's the signature horsebit Emilia flat, which I think is cool. And there's also a new Mary Jane style, which is cute too. In terms of material, like I mentioned, mine is in the Napa leather, but there's also patent leather, iridescent patent leather, suede, and fabric styles. The Canadian website is a bit more limited in terms of the styles available, but Stuart Weitzman is also sold internationally and by other retailers, so you're bound to find one that can ship to you. So I definitely recommend taking a look at multiple retailers and the styles that they offer if you're interested in one of these shoes. Oh, and I have to show you how well they match with the Strathberry bag that I bought. Like, look, I mean, it's not a perfect match, of course, because it's so hard to color match across brands unless you know you're buying something black or in your standard bright white, but I think the colors are quite close, and when worn together, these two will look really good. In terms of sizing, I find them to be true to size. I ordered an 8.5 medium, which fits me perfectly, but there are also narrow and wide options as well. I can't really speak to comfort though, as I've not had a chance to wear them yet, but so far when I tried them on, I didn't notice any pinching in the front or scraping on the back, though I won't be able to say for sure until I wear them for at least a few hours. I can say though that the soles are quite smooth and a bit slippery on smooth surfaces. However, I'll be putting a sole protector on, which should alleviate that. Like I said, I still haven't gotten a chance to protect them and by extension to wear them, but once I do that protection, I will definitely share the process with you. Really, my goal is to keep them in the best shape possible so I can wear them for seasons to come. But yeah, overall, so far I'm happy with this purchase. I'll probably do an updated video once I've had a chance to wear them at least several times, and maybe I'll include my other shoes in there as well. Anyway, have any of you purchased from Stuart Weitzman before? It's always been a brand that I've been aware of and that was reputable, but that I just never shopped from. So I don't have much experience with them at all. And I'd love to hear what your experience has been with the brand, if any. So definitely let me know in the comments. And as always, I've linked the item in the description box below in case you're interested in checking it out. Anyway, that's all I have for you today, friends, but I'll be back with another video next week, and we'll be doing a close-up unboxing and look at my new Strathberry Nano Mosaic bag, so definitely stay tuned for that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.